Hello everyone, meet Xandria, the next generation analytics platform for Xandeum pNodes. In the next 3 minutes, I will show how Xandria goes beyond basic monitoring to deliver insights. Let's begin. Okay, first we have the XandScore and we have the sort interface, and you can sort by anything that is listed there. Then we have the favorites, where you can watch list your favorite notes or your notes. You can click on any of the favorites and select it, and you can view your favorites and clear them if you want. Then browse other news to add them. Then next up we have the analysis, which is the total network analysis, total pNodes, average XandScore, to have storage distribution, status distribution, version distribution, and version split, the total versions that are available on the network. And we also have the 3D topology. This is a complete gossip network 3D, which shows a cluster of nodes, pNodes, and clicking on one will show the connections in the gossip network, and will show a card with the information of the particular pNodes, and you can see the overall information of the pNode networks. And you can also click on a pNode and see information about it on the card, or you can just simply search for that particular pNode by pasting the public key, and it will be selected automatically, and you just scroll or swipe to that particular pNode and see its position in the network and the card for its information. That's it for 3D topology of the network. The next we have is a particular pNode information. Let's search for this pNode because it's public. Then first info we have is the public port ID, and we can copy the public key, and we also have the uptime and the rate at which it increased, which I use the historical data to track that. And we have the prayer score breakdown, in which we put pNodes on the score. We have uptime, response time, storage, version, and reliability. They all determine the XandScore, and this has 83.5 over 100, and this is the network comparison, pNodes over the network comparison, and we see uptime is better than how many. And we have the history, uptime history, which uses the historical data to track it for 7 days. You can check for 1 hour, or 7 days can track history because we keep historical data. And we have XandScore history too, and we have the credit and reward section, and we have the advanced metric, which has the CPU, the RAM, the active streams, the file size, and also have XandExpert AI review of your pNode. And it says slow CPU because this is indefinite, not unmanaged yet, so there's no real work on it. And you can also ask it follow-up suggested questions, and it will give out answer based on the prompts I've given it. And you can also check my GitHub to edit the prompts on the way you like. Then next up we have the leaderboard section. This leaderboard is based on XandScore. As you can see, it has 98.8 XandScore, and you can check for that pNode information by just clicking on it, and you can go back to the leaderboard and check the leaderboard to a list of 100. And next we have is the other unique features or features I've added, and this is the light mode. And for me specifically, I really like the light mode, and if you like it, you can just toggle it up there, and this is how it looks on light mode. And you can also view my GitHub repository and API documentation. The public one you can use to get all pNodes information with XandScore, and you can check the responses. Just visit my GitHub at Xandria. You can get all these informations at the README, and that's pretty much about it. And thank you all. You can also try it out, check it out, and tell me what you think about it and your suggestion. Thank you.